Did you know Google has massive hidden tools built right into the apps you use every day that almost nobody knows about? Most people only use about 10% of Google's actual capabilities. In this video, I am going to reveal 5 mind-blowing hidden Google features that will instantly double your productivity. We will cover everything from secret Chrome speed boosts to built-in image text extraction and advanced search filters. By the end of this tutorial, you will be navigating Google like an absolute power user. Stick around, because feature number 4 completely changes how you manage browser memory. Before we jump into the secret tools, let us make sure your Google account and browser are properly configured. First, open up Google Chrome and ensure you are signed into your primary Google account. Next, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, select Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version so all these experimental options work smoothly. Having an updated browser guarantees you have access to the latest security features and experimental flags. Now that we are all set up, let us dive into hidden feature number 1. Feature number 1 is built directly into Google Search, but 99% of people search completely wrong. If you want to search for an exact file type, type file type followed by a colon and PDF, then add your search topic. Look at the results. Google will filter out every web page and only show downloadable PDF documents. You can also use the site colon modifier to search strictly within one website. For instance, type site reddit.com followed by your topic to get pure forum results without SEO spam. These simple search operators instantly cut out online clutter and save you hours of endless scrolling. Hidden feature number 2 transforms Google Docs into an interactive workspace using Smart Canvas. Inside any Google Doc, simply type the @ symbol anywhere on the blank page. A dynamic drop-down menu pops up instantly. From here, you can insert interactive drop-down status tags, link directly to Google Calendar events, or assign smart tasks to team members. Even better, if you type @pageless, you can convert your document into a continuous pageless canvas without frustrating page breaks. This turns Google Docs from a basic word processor into a full-fledged project management hub without paying for third-party tools. Feature number 3 is a secret experimental settings menu hidden inside Chrome called Chrome Flags. In your Chrome address bar, type Chrome//flags and hit enter. This reveals Google's hidden experimental feature laboratory. In the search box at the top, type parallel downloading and enable it. This forces Chrome to split large downloads into multiple chunks, dramatically boosting download speeds. Next, search for memory saver mode and toggle it on. Chrome will automatically hibernate inactive background tabs, freeing up gigabytes of RAM on your computer. These 2 hidden toggles make Chrome run twice as fast instantly. Feature number 4 solves one of the biggest travel headaches ever, losing cellular data while navigating. Open Google Maps on your phone, tap your profile picture in the top right, and select Offline Maps. Tap Select your own map, drag the bounding box over your city or vacation destination, and hit download. Now, even if you lose signal in the subway or remote mountains, full GPS turn-by-turn navigation will work offline. Furthermore, if you tap the Live View button while walking, Google Maps uses augmented reality arrows laid directly over your camera feed so you never walk in the wrong direction again. Feature number 5 is a secret productivity shortcut inside Google Keep that extracts text from images instantly. Have you ever taken a photo of a whiteboard, book page, or paper document and needed to type out all those notes manually? Instead, create a new note in Google Keep and upload your photo. Click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the image and select Grab Image Text. Google's optical character recognition instantly reads the photo and pastes every single word into editable plain text below. You can copy this text straight into an email or Google Doc in less than 3 seconds. Now that you know these 5 features, let us cover a few pro tips to prevent common mistakes. When enabling experimental features in Chrome Flags, only change options you understand, as enabling too many flags can cause minor browser instability. If a browser feature acts strangely, simply search Flag Default and click Reset All to restore standard settings. Also, when using search operators like site or file type, ensure there is no space between the colon and your search term, otherwise Google ignores the operator entirely. Keeping these quick details in mind guarantees a smooth, glitch-free experience. To recap, we covered advanced Google search operators, Google Docs Smart Canvas, Chrome secret speed flags, offline Google Maps AR, and image text extraction in Google Keep. Mastering these 5 hidden tools will save you hours of work every single week. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive technology guides. Click the video on screen right now to learn 10 more hidden Chrome extensions that will change how you work forever. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.